choose habits that you can handle and take small steps. Let's not grab some big challenging habit that is just overwhelming. You know, we've tried it before. Maybe people try to give up smoking, and it's a good thing to choose to overcome. But like Mark Twain, oftentimes they feel like they're not making any progress. Mark Twain said, "Oh, smoking's the easiest thing in the world to give up. I've done it many times." You know, maybe that's not the one you choose to give up. Maybe it's something smaller. Choose a habit that you feel like you can handle. A good habit that you can develop for yourself, you know, that you can make some progress on. Instead of, I'm going to go to the gym every, 3 times a week and I'm going to work out for an hour, maybe that's too much. How about every day I'm going to walk for 5 minutes? Or every day I'm going to try to do a couple of push-ups. Don't make it something doable that you can do. And take tiny steps every single day. Someone has said, when you do the thing that's most important for you the first beginning of the day, they call it eating that frog. Eat that frog first. In other words, if you knew that you had to eat a frog every day, wouldn't it be better to just get it done first thing in the morning? Just get that frog down. Well, the same is true with moving in the direction of the good that we want in our life. If the first thing when you get up in the morning is to make some progress on the most important goals or habits that you're trying to develop, then you're going to develop momentum. You know, so often, I don't know about you, but I know that even with very important goals that I have for myself, there can be some resistance to taking any steps toward those goals. And I don't know if it could be fear of failure. It could be, well, if I move in the direction of my goal, maybe it won't work out the way I want it to, or maybe there's just some inherent resistance to moving forward on those things that are important to us. I don't know why that is, but that's why it's so important to take some small steps every single day.
Thank you for watching. We upload new videos and content every week to inspire and empower you on your spiritual journey. We look forward to seeing you again soon.